Stiffening rings wrap around the circumference of the stack and are used to stiffen the shell and keep it round. To add stiffening rings to the stack, go to Geometry and then Stiffeners and select Ring. To add a stiffener, click the plus at the bottom. Click on the stiffener description cell and it will launch the stiffener selection window. Now we can select the stiffener to be either a flat bar, structural shape, or a custom stiffener. In our example, we will use a structural shape and select the American code and use an angle that is 2 by 2 by 1/4. Now we see that we have to determine the configuration, and when we change the configuration, it is represented in the graphic to the right. Clicking the Dimensions button will show the physical dimensions of the shape. We select the material for the stiffener. The temperature is used only for determining the material properties. It does not perform any type of differential thermal expansion. If you wish to consider corrosion on the shape, then enter that value here. This allowance is applied to all exposed surfaces, and so if we were to use 1/16 of an inch for our angle, it will apply a total of 1/8 to the angle leg since both sides are exposed. If the stiffener is inside of the cylinder, then check the inside box. The section properties of the stiffening ring are based upon the stiffener shape itself combined with some portion of the cylinder shell. Refer to the help for more explanation on what shell width is used. If you wish to override that width and use your own, then check the width override box and enter the value you wish to use. The ring can then be used on one or more elevations, and those are specified by clicking the Elevations button. When complete, you then save, and you can either add more stiffening rings or you can save and return to the main window. The stiffening rings are represented on the stack graphic,